bacon.
Yes, I'm Roman, I'm vegan, and today I will try bacon. Let's go. Oh my god, I'm really hot. So, yes, let's try the vegan.
Bacon.
Oh my god. I'm hungry. Oh. That's bacon. Huh. I've never had bacon before. However, I've worked in several restaurants and I know the smell of bacon.
Bacon! Bacon! Where's the bacon?
And this smells like bacon. Does it taste like bacon? I don't know. But it doesn't look like meat. It doesn't look like what meat should look like. It doesn't stretch. Okay. Oh, why is it so hot? I swear, this tastes like meat. I don't know, is this meat? I don't think so. If it is meat, I wouldn't know. So if this is fake, I wouldn't know. Okay, let's evaluate. First of all, I've never had real bacon, so I don't know how true it is to its original.
It's bacon!
No, it's bacon strips.
So I'm not sure if it actually tastes like real bacon, but one thing is sure, it smells like real bacon. Well, the scent isn't as potent to say, oh damn, because I don't really like the smell of bacon. But when you smell it, what comes to mind is definitely bacon. I'm like, there's bacon. I can smell that bacon smell. The cheese is well melted and I can taste the cheese is nice. There's mustard, there are pickles, I like pickles. So it's good. It's getting hot in here, so take off all your clothes. 2 minutes, I've always dreamt of trying huge burger sandwiches, the famous burger sandwiches like the double steak and so forth. I've always been, not tempted, but I've always wanted to try them. And I think it's my first time eating a sandwich like this and it tastes like this. I wouldn't say it's the best vegan sandwich I've had because I've had really great vegan sandwiches, but when I eat it and my mind associates the smell with meat, and the taste is sort of clinging to my desire of having wanted to try a big steak sandwich. I'm not sure if I'd like steak. I want to try it, but I'm also a bit afraid to. Would I recommend the Burger King vegan bacon sandwich? Yes, I would recommend it to vegans, to vegetarians, to meat eaters. I think it's something that anyone would like. The taste is pleasant. I know normally when I try some vegan things, like vegan steaks or vegan patties, the taste isn't always the most pleasant. But this I can see myself eating several times. Yeah, so the next time I go out with friends or someone, I would say, let's go to Burger King, I want this sandwich again. Anyway, that's it for today. Yeah, go to Burger King, try the sandwich, let me know what you think. And if you know of any other vegan menus somewhere, just let me know in the comments down below and I'll maybe go to those restaurants and try it. And yeah, like, subscribe, share, and I'll see you next time. Ciao, ciao.
Les bacon lovers sont enfin de retour chez Burger King.
Burger King.